Hello, good day to you and welcome to this channel. To solve this, we are going to be using substitution, where we let a be x squared plus 3x minus 23, so that the equation becomes 25 over a equals to a, and upon cross multiplying we have a squared to be equal to 25, and taking the square root of both sides, a is going to be plus or minus the square root of 25, which means that a is plus or minus 5. But we call that x squared plus 3x minus 23 is a. This means that x squared plus 3x minus 23 is plus or minus 5. So we will have minus 5, and x squared plus 3x minus 23 is also 5. We shall be taking them one after the other to solve the resulting quadratic equations. So for the first one, we have x squared plus 3x minus 23 to be equal to minus 5. This means that x squared plus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. That's by adding 5 to both sides. Then the factors of negative 18 that will give a positive 3 are plus 6 and minus 3. So x squared plus 3x minus 18 factors as x plus 6, x minus 3 equals to 0. In that case, x plus 6 is 0, or x minus 3 is 0, meaning that x could be negative 6 or it could be positive 3 for the very first case. The second one, we have that x squared plus 3x minus 23 is positive 5. So subtracting 5 from both sides, we'll get x squared plus 3x minus 28 to be equal to 0. And the factors of negative 28 that will give positive 3 are plus 7 and negative 4. So the quadratic equation factors as x plus 7, x minus 4 equals to 0, meaning that x plus 7 is 0, or x minus 4 is 0. Thus, x is minus 7 or x is plus 4. Finally, the solution to the equation 25 over x squared plus 3x minus 23 equals to x squared plus 3x minus 23 is the set of the numbers minus 7, minus 6, 3, and 4. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment box. Like, share the video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our updates.